If you're wondering how to add a wall inside a room that you created with magicplan, stay with me because I'm gonna show you how it works. After opening the project, we have to select the room where we want to add a wall or more walls. We will start with the first option, which is the partial wall. How does it work? It's super simple. I tap where I would like to add my wall, and from the left side menu you see the option Add Wall. We select that. We say Confirm. As you can see, this wall has a 90 degrees angle, which will stay like that. So you can move the wall along your external wall, but you cannot change the angle. You can resize it, of course, as you can see here. So the measurement will be also locked if you edit it like this. This kind of wall behaves exactly as any other regular wall, which means that you could also add objects on it. If I select it, I tap on Insert Object and I can take, for example, the fixed window. We can take a look in the elevation view. As you can see, we have it like this. If we want, we can also change the distance to floor and make it a bit higher. And voila, we can also take a look in 3D and you can see that our wall with the window is there. But now I would like to show you also the second option that we have to add a wall, which is the partition wall. How does it work? We select the room, we tap on Insert Object, we go down to the category called Structural, and we look for the partition wall. There it is. I can add it. This wall behaves as an object, which means that we cannot add objects on it as we did for the partial wall before. But you can move this wall around your room, so it can be placed anywhere, it can have a different angle, it can also be inside your room, it could also be a column, a rectangular column, for example, or you could also put it near the walls as you need. And here you can play around with the angle. We can take a look at the 3D view, so you will see the difference. You see here, right? Here we have the regular wall, and then we have the object, the partition wall. If you want, you can always adapt it to your needs, right? In the info section, you can change the width, the depth, and the height. While with the partial wall, you could change the length. So we have some little differences. It depends on what you would like to achieve inside your project. If you like this video, you may also be interested in this one, which explains how to split and merge rooms. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.